Dental cleaning, what to expect during a routine checkup. A healthy oral health is crucial for general well-being. Regular checkups and dental cleanings are crucial to avoiding dental concerns like tooth decay, gum disease, tooth decay, and bad breath. In a routine dental checkup, your dentist won't just take care of your teeth, but additionally examine your mouth to detect any indication of dental health problems. In this short video, we'll talk about what you can expect to see during an appointment for a dental cleaning and the reasons why it's crucial to prioritize the health of your mouth. The first step is that it is crucial to plan regular appointments for your doctor. A majority of dentists recommend seeing them at least every 6 months for routine examination and cleaning. In your visit, dentists examine the mouth and take x-rays should they be required. This will allow them to have an extensive overview of your dental health and to identify any potential issues that might not be obvious by the naked eyes. After that, your hygienist will start the cleaning procedure. This includes removing deposits of tartar and plaque from your gums and teeth. Plaque is a sticky layer of bacteria that builds up over the teeth. It could result in gum diseases. Tartar, however, on contrary, is plaque that has hardened and must be eliminated by a professional dentist. The dentist will employ special tools to scrape off this buildup and ensure your teeth are free of plaque and well maintained. When the procedure is finished, after which the dentist performs an exhaustive inspection of the mouth. They'll look for the signs of gum disease, dental cavities, oral cancer, and additional oral health concerns. Dental professionals will also assess your jaw alignment and bite in order to determine if the teeth of yours are in good shape. If you have any concerns, dental professionals will review treatment options with you and design a custom strategy to meet your dental concerns. Apart from checking and cleaning your teeth, the dentist can also offer instructions for maintaining your oral health. They'll demonstrate the correct flossing and brushing methods as well as recommend additional treatments that can benefit the health of your mouth. It is essential to adhere to these tips at home in order to preserve the effects from your dental cleansing and to avoid future dental issues. A routine cleaning of your teeth is a straightforward but essential part of maintaining excellent dental health. When you plan regular checks as well as cleanings, you'll be able to help prevent dental ailments and ensure that your smile stays healthy and radiant. Be sure to put your dental health first, well-being, and make your dental health the top priority of your medical routine. The bottom line is that dental cleansing is an important element of maintaining good oral health. When you visit for a routine dental visit, your dentist will wash the teeth of your mouth, look over your mouth for any signs of problems, as well as provide guidelines for oral hygiene. When you focus on your oral well-being and scheduling regular visits will help you avoid dental problems and keep your smile beautiful and healthy. Do not put off. Schedule an appointment with your dentist now and begin the process towards a more healthy smile.